Road to the store. About to head back. What's up, Harvest family? So this portion of the video is recorded probably a couple of months ago, 2 or 3 months ago. As you see later in the video that the weeds and everything have come up and everything is staged a lot differently. But just give you a little context as far as the video is concerned. Lego. So y'all, how it's looking? All right, we can keep going. Y'all, I cannot find my tape measure. So I think I'm gonna just pre-drill the holes for now. I don't want to dig down too deep. So I might just stage this one. Or I guess stage some of them for now. I got like 3 tape measures. I have no clue where any of them are. Alright, we's back. Just wanted to give y'all an update on the chicken run. This is a 32 by 24. So I got 2 of the walls up. Newkirk Harvest Farm. We's out here. Had an auger to assist. It's my plumbing line. Keep things straight. I also got the manual hole digger. And we got the tools all over the place. We's progressing. So this is how big it's gonna be. Pretty big chicken run. And these 2 runs right here, they're gonna go on the outside. I'll show y'all that in a future video. So here we at. I don't know why I keep saying here we at. Here we go. It's probably from dehydration. Lego. What's going on, y'all? Just giving y'all an update on the chicken run. So I had to take the walls back down because they weren't square. And I'm redoing it. So I got all the walls up except I'm trying to figure out exactly the chickens. I'm letting this grow out, the weeds and stuff like that. The chickens, once they get in here, they'll mow all this down. So I'm not even worried about it right now. So, but basically, I'm trying to figure out. Hey, can y'all let me talk? My Lord. But basic. I swear, yo. Hey. Relax. But I'm trying to figure out, I want to make a door to where I can drive my tractor in it once I get one. So I want to make it wide enough as far as at least one of the entrances. I want to keep it wide. That way a tractor can drive in here, and like I can change out the bedding. Lord Jesus. Y'all wait till I get on the camera. Now y'all can't stop crowing. Yo, I think we need some rooster stew. What y'all think? Cause y'all going crazy out here. My Lord, please. This is why I'm getting rid of y'all. Well, not really, but sorta. One of the reasons. I only want like 1 rooster, if that, because I don't plan on breeding right now. But anyways, I had to build this wall back up. I had to build the other one back up. I've been struggling with trying to square this up for some reason. but I think I finally got it right. So I got to figure out, as far as the door situation, how am I going to do this? It'll probably be on this back end, this back side, as far as the larger entrance. But yeah, I took today off from work to try to get some stuff done. I'm about to head out. It is extremely hot out here, and I've been out here since probably like 5:30. Just trying to beat the heat, basically, to get a good amount of work done, you know, without it being unhealthy. But this breeze is feeling really good out here right now. But I'm done for today. Gonna pack it up. All this stuff is, it's a work in progress, so this is not how it's gonna look or anything as far as the lumber and that hardware cloth or anything like that. So all of that will be cleaned up out of here. So it'll be neat and looking good. Even like the tarps and stuff like that, that's all temporary right now. So, but yeah. Anybody in my area who may be looking for a rooster, yeah, I got some for you. I gotta call the breeder back, because I should be able to take them back and just trade them for hens, because I didn't really want any roosters right now. So I have to check on that, but I'll probably, if any of my subscribers want any roosters or something like that for their flock, then yeah, just hit me up. But yeah, got a lot done today. And yeah, about to pack it up. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Let go.